If I had to pick one laptop to handle everything I do, whether it's work, gaming, or content creation, it would be this beast right here, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18. This laptop has replaced my Xbox, it has replaced my PC. This is what I use to edit all my videos, including the video watching right now. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is big and flashy. Inside is the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. The CPU and GPU combination gives you the power to do everything you've been dreaming of doing without lag. And here's something that shocked me. This is the only laptop I know that lets you upgrade the RAM and storage without a single tool. So yeah, it's a powerful laptop, but how much does it go for and is it worth buying? Well, keep watching to find out. Now, this laptop was made for one reason, to give you all the power you need to get things done. As I mentioned earlier, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275HX. This is Intel's most powerful laptop processor available in the market at the time of making this video. It also features an Intel AI Boost NPU that delivers up to 13 trillion operations per second. With this laptop, you get faster AI filters, smoother AI video upscaling, better noise reduction, and more. Now guys, this particular laptop comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. That's 24GB of dedicated graphics, so running modern games is a breeze with this guy. It can handle AAA games with ray tracing on. You get smooth FPS. Playing modern games on this laptop is simply a joy. I did not experience one lag with it, at least with the games I played. Like I said, lag doesn't exist with this laptop thanks to the CPU and GPU, except when you take out the power cable. Just like other gaming laptops out there, it runs best when it's connected to power. Now the unit I have here comes with 4TB SSD, that's plenty of storage. This unit also comes with 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and programs like Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, and After Effects run smoothly on this laptop. Be it 4K footage, 6K or 8K footage, this laptop handles it well. You get fast export time with it, smooth playback. You know what? Let's even do an experiment. I have here the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M4 Max. This is the most powerful laptop from Apple at the time of making this video. Let's see between these two laptops which one exports this footage the quickest. Listen to the fan noise of the Windows laptop. But it finished first. It was able to complete the rendering in 16 minutes, 26 seconds, while the Apple laptop is at 62%. 26 minutes, 25 seconds later, the Apple finished the export. Now, for those of you into animation, Blender runs smoothly on this laptop. It can handle complex 3D scenes without lag. So guys, if you're a gamer, if you're a content creator, if you're an editor, if you are an AI developer, and you want the most powerful laptop available in the market, this is the one to pick. It's also the most affordable, powerful laptop available in my region. I'll show you why later in this video. Now, this laptop can unleash its full power and stay cool thanks to its intelligent cooling system. All the exhaust vents are located at the rear of the laptop and are far away from your hands so you don't feel the heat. Air comes in from the side of the laptop and also from the keyboard area, and even underneath the laptop. It features 3 fans and utilizes conductonant extreme liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU to keep things cool. Even in turbo mode, when the laptop is giving its peak performance, it's loud, but it's not that loud. There are louder laptops out there, of course, without the performance of this one. You can change the power setting on this laptop with the Asus Armory app. In silent mode, this is where the laptop is the quietest. The GPU and CPU are downclocked to reduce the fan noise, making it perfect for when you intend to do something light like browsing the internet or watching YouTube videos. Now, when it's time to get things done, there are 2 modes to pick: performance mode and turbo mode. And for those who know what they're doing, there's a manual mode allowing you to overclock or underclock the CPU and GPU. Now, this is for people that know what they're doing. I'll advise you to leave it alone. Stick to performance mode or turbo mode or even quiet mode. Now, moving to the display, it has an 18-inch, yes, 18-inch 2.5K mini LED display with a refresh rate of 240 Hz and 3 milliseconds response time. It features an anti-glare coating on the display which reduces light reflections. Now, I'm also glad that Asus went with mini LED display because it has a very high peak brightness. This is the same display technology found on the latest latest Apple MacBook Pros. The display of this laptop gets as high as 1200 nits. It's brighter than most OLED displays out there, at least the ones I've used. And another thing I love about the display is you don't need to worry about screen burning. Mini LED displays are great for watching HDR content. The blacks might not be as sweet as OLED displays, but it's fine. It's good enough for my eyes. Colors are accurate as well. It covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. It is Pantone-validated and it is well calibrated. So you don't need to worry about inconsistent colors and photos when editing photos and videos. I also like the fact that this big display protects my eye from blue light, and it also helps to reduce eye fatigue. This laptop has 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos support. They sound alright, the treble is good, but the bass is lacking. I guess MacBook speakers have spoilt me. The webcam features a 1080p IR camera with Windows Hello support. Now regarding the build quality, it feels solid. It's also a hefty laptop. It weighs 3.3 kg. The lid is made from aluminium and it feels sturdy. Please do not tilt it to 180 degrees. It has a matte finish and it is scratch resistant, which is important. Now this is something I also like about this laptop. On the lid, it has an anime vision display. It has 810 LEDs shining through 9102 precise milled holes. With the Asus Armory app, you can customize this. You can even import your GIF and create your own design if you want. This laptop features a full surround RGB light bar at the bottom. It's almost as if this laptop is floating. I love the RGB lights, and I also like you can customize them. Now, if you're not the RGB type and you just want to blend in so that people don't know you have a monster of a laptop, you can turn out the lights to avoid drawing attention. As mentioned earlier, you can open up the base of this laptop without a tool. It has a lid system, making it easy to open, and it gives you access to upgrade the RAM, storage, and Wi-Fi. Not like you need to even upgrade the Wi-Fi because it comes with the latest Wi-Fi. Now, typing on this laptop feels great. It features a full-size keyboard with dedicated media controls and customizable hotkeys. You can set any of them to launch an application. The keys are backlit with RGB lights. The keyboard is nice to type on, but one thing I noticed is that it attracts fingerprint smudges easily. The trackpad is large. It's just as large as the one found on the MacBook Pro. It supports multi-touch gestures and it feels good. The ports includes a power port, a 2.5G Ethernet port, an HDMI 2.1 port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, and 2 Thunderbolt 5 USB Type C ports with support for DisplayPort, power delivery, and data speed of up to 120 gigabits per second. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack, and something that surprised me is that it doesn't have an SD card reader. Moving to the right side, it features 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports. I wish it had a USB Type C port on the right side. That would have been nice. Now let's talk about the battery life. This laptop is power hungry. It comes with a 90 watt-hour battery, and for my usage, drains fast, especially when you're doing something demanding. For regular use case like when you're browsing or watching YouTube videos, I think it lasted around 2 hours from my usage. This laptop comes with a 380 watt power adapter. That's massive. You can also charge this laptop via the USB Type-C port at 100 watts. You can even use a power bank to charge this laptop as well. So whatever you do with this laptop, just make sure to carry the power adapter along. It's power hungry. Now, for the price, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18 is priced at 6,895,000 naira, or just around $4,300. Now, before you say it's too expensive, consider the performance it delivers. And you can also carry it around, which you can't do with a PC. You can't carry a PC around now. I saw another PC with similar specs priced way higher, so this is better. There are cheaper versions of this laptop featuring the NVIDIA RTX 5070 and 5080 graphics card, but I'm not sure if they're going to be available in my region. So guys, for almost 6.9 million naira, yes, it's expensive, but it's a fantastic laptop and it will easily handle anything and everything you throw at it for years. Additionally, Asus has a repair center in Nigeria and the laptop comes with a warranty, so there's nothing to be concerned about. Honestly, for me, for the things I do, I think it's worth the money. But what about you guys? What do you guys think? So yeah, thanks for watching till the end, and I hope this video was useful to someone out there. I'll see you guys very soon with more content like this. I need to go and play more games on that laptop. Valor Reviews, signing out.